if you get an internal server error when you try to access the cloud.ai website. Now, this occurs when their servers are down. If you go to this website here, which is status.anthropic.com, the link will be available on the description of this video. Just scroll down here and check for the incidents. As you can see, the past incidents, just yesterday, a lot of people are facing the internal server error in May 21, 2025. And this occurs when their servers were down. And just wait for a few hours, like 3 to 5 hours, and the issue should just be resolved by itself. So if you access the cloud.ai website and you get an internal server error, just know that their servers are down. Just to confirm, go to this website here, which is status.anthropic.com. Come here to the past incidents and check if the servers are down. If they are down, you just need to wait for a few hours until the issue should just resolve by itself. Also, in the meantime, if you're connected to any VPN, make sure to disconnect that VPN and try to access it through your data. Maybe don't use the VPN. But in most cases, this occurs when their servers are down and the issue should just resolve by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.